Well, here we go then. To manage the model, it will be powered by the video card, so it can be any video card as long as it is NVIDIA, and virtualization has to be activated. The correct CUS drive is installed. We are going to use Ollama, which is a system for managing large language models like Chatgpt. It will manage everything. You can use it on its own, but we will also install a graphical interface, a dock. Well, she doesn't leave the lamppost. Found here. Hello? Here. Abreu. It will appear here. Running here. It is running here. Terminal. Terminal opened. We are going to look for the model. Click here on models and search for the model. This will be the artificial intelligence brain model running locally on your PC. I will use Llama 3.2, which is the Meta model, which is open source. What changes here? If you have a powerful video card, you can choose a model of 3 billion, 1 billion, but these models here are quite small, 1 gigabyte and 2 gigabytes. Why? The larger it is, the more context the model will have, but the graphics card needs to be even more powerful, and the smaller the model, the faster it is, but less precise. It has less knowledge, so to speak. It is a 3.2, it has 1 billion and 3 billion. There will be models with 40 billion parameters, 120, 420, which go up to around 100 gigabytes. We'll use the 3 billion. We're going to copy the command here, the Ollama, the command that defines the Ollama,
which will be the one executing the command. The RAM will run what? The Llama 3.2. What version of Llama? 3D. And then here, through your terminal, it happened. Ran. It will download the model and configure everything right there. Ready to speak. Download it, installed everything. Here's your model. You can already talk to it here. Here you already have the model running locally on your PC, but note that it doesn't have a defined interface yet. Alright, we have the model running. We see it operating here. What will you need now? We are going to use this project here. Here is a project that makes the interface very similar to Chatgpt, like this. You can make various configurations. To install, we will first install the dock. If you don't know containerization, it's better to look it up first. So I will look for the dock desktop. Remember that the BIOS virtualization must be enabled. Installed the dock. It will be running here. Since it is a virtual machine, meaning it will use resources from the PC, you also need to have available RAM for usage. Docker is running here. Here you can directly search for OpenUI. You can just search on Google. The command itself. Are you alone? You will choose the version. This one will run with default settings. You copy this running command. The terminal installs everything, remembering that it's a Docker. For an NVIDIA GPU, you will use this command here, which is what I used, as it will use the CUDA core to reduce performance. If you don't have a graphics card, the model will work too. It will just be slower. More correct.
That's all.
Said it will appear here in images. I don't wait. You run the doc command. I will not go into details here. change the command, it has to appear here. Played it, it will create a container. A container is like a little virtual machine running. This little virtual machine will be our web server with the interface. I executed what it was providing here, and the server is running. After that, just go to the link localhost 2300.
Load the interface here.
You're not going to turn on the air. The first account I will create will be the administrator account. I put it in. Now I come here. Search for the template. There are more because I already installed it, right? Here is the Llama 3.2. I can chat here and it will be running there. So the Llama in the background. A bunch more. Here you have an IPT chat running locally on your PC as anonymous without sharing data externally. You can add users, add other models, make other settings, the matter of playground, the overview. Have a summary all with the piece. But in summary, that's it. What will you need? The Llama, which is the model manager, the Llama 3.2, which is the model itself, Docker installed, and this interface inside Docker here, the OpenUI installed. I'll leave a detailed step-by-step. Here was just an overview to understand that it's not that complicated. I hope you liked it.